right, ladies and gentlemen, serious note, I just want to tell everyone knows that it is the first film that's coming out of the Salman Khan film stable. So, why is it that you chose Bajrangi Bhaijaan as the film that will really be the flag bearer to this Salman Khan films?
बिकॉज इससे अच्छी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली और फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर भी एक बहुत ही सिंसियर एंड बहुत ही जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम है कबीर खान. इसके पहले उन्होंने एक हमें फिल्म दी थी जो कि ठीक ठाक चल गई थी, टाइगर. तो इससे बेटर बेट क्या हो सकता है. तो आई थॉट कि सेफ खेलो और अगर होम प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करना है तो घर से ही शुरू करो. मिनी एंड कबीर आर लाइक फैमिली. तो हमने सोचा कि इससे बेस्ट कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी हमें.
So, सलमान बजरंगी भाईजान की क्या खास बात आप प्लीज हमारी प्रेस को बताइए and then we're gonna show them what it's really all about. But why is it special for you?
खासियत यह है कि मेरी तरफ बहुत ही सिंपल है बजरंगी भाईजान और बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही नेक हैं, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. अरे वाह. 15 साल के तक कोई टेंशन नहीं मुझे. जब तक ये ऑडियंस रहता है ना,
It's all good.
it's all good.
That's true.
It's all good, all good.
Yep. More about that though. Before we actually reveal the trailer, Salman, should we call on the director of the film onto the stage
Yeah,
and
please.
उनसे भी एक गुफ्तगू हो जाए? So
please.
ladies and
बुलाइए
gentlemen,
उन्हें.
here's a guy who I've pretty much crushed on for the last 15, 17 years, Kabir Khan. All right. So Kabir, everyone is waiting for Salman and you to show them the trailer first. बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी बातें हैं, which I'm sure they want to know about the film. It's weird, me asking him questions because I already know some of the answers. But this is a good opportunity because whatever I ask him, he has to answer today. Was Salman always Pawan for you in this, when you thought of Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
You know, this is a question that was asked me even when I was making Ekta Tiger, and somebody asked me why Salman, and my answer was, is there another tiger in the industry? So similarly for Bajrangi Bhaijaan also, once you see the film, there is nobody better for this role than Salman. It's basically Salman personified. And that was very evident जब मैंने पहली ये कहानी जो मिस्टर विजेंद्र प्रसाद ने हमें बताई थी, जब मैंने सुनाई सलमान को, we both just fell in love with this story. And because it's in some way, this is the way we want to see the world. This is the way we feel the world should be. And that's why it became a very special film for us. And not only did he agree to act in it, he said, I'm producing this film.
That was a bit of a surprise, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
So इससे पहले कि हम और फिल्म के बारे में आगे बातें करें, please put our hands together and welcome the very, very lovely Kareena Kapoor Khan. That's Rasika from the film. Pawan ki
And
Rasika aa gayi, please.
this is the girl I've had a crush with. 15,
15 years you've been crushing?
15, 17 years.
It's-
My Benji.
All right, we'll find somebody else who we can crush in a will. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you an opportunity. Please put your hands together for the incredibly talented Nawazuddin Siddiqui. We'd also like to call on stage the producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. He's a co-producer. Please welcome Rockline Venkatesh. We've done pictures. एक बार और opportunity मिलेगी. We can do this once again right at the end. But now we'll just do a couple of questions. You can all sit, please, if however it's comfortable. How has it been playing? Rasika. It's a character which has a lot of layers, and she's
Yeah, it's a
pretty
special
pure.
character. We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine, because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we've tried to keep it as real, and I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
क्यों हंस रहे हैं आप लोग मेरे पे? दिस इज रिडिकुलस. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूंगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ, अब हंसते हैं. कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी सीरियस क्वेश्चंस पूछूं, आप why don't you tell everyone about I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger than life backdrop. And that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to, that's the kind of cinema I like watching, and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, I mean, one just saw in the trailer that there are multiple locations, and there are deserts, and there are mountains, and there are rivers, and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप you like to shoot around,
Karjat.
Bombay, Karjat,
मैं वो
Panvel.
स्टूडियो पनवेल का but he likes to shoot all over the world.
तो आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है, एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया है इस बार. पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश के भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर 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 लेके गए हमको. It was a great experience.
But you did it, and you did it so like आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walked through deserts. So आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking inside? गालियाँ दे रहे थे या?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. What has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा. It's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal discoveries भी हुई as the film?
जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी, तो एक वो ग्रीड आता है ना कि ये फिल्म किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. There is such a beautiful story told कि I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me.
चलिए.
So for you guys, I mean, कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर. लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं कि इस फिल्म को इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं कि ये फिल्म अब चलना ना चलना वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में. लेकिन we've given this film our best because we totally believe in this film. ये प्यार मोहब्बत की फिल्म है, सिंपल लोगों की कहानी है, और एक लार्जर देन लाइफ के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है. मुझे तो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि हम लोग सिर्फ एडिटिंग रूम में फिल्म देखते हैं या ओनली व्हेन यू डबिंग, बट जब इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं, तो बार बार ये नरेशन सुनाई दे रहा था मुझे. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, एंड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ शॉट आई वाज नॉर्मल, साउंड, कैमरा, एक्शन, and in the emotional moments tears used to come out. So usually, I'm talking about me, मैं बड़ी ठोक पीट के काम करता हूँ, emotional scene में, not to feel that emotion, to put glycerine and to make it work, it looks okay on screen, so इतनी मेहनत क्यों करो. But in this film, I didn't even have to do that. I used to turn around in a shot, and there were tears flowing down my cheeks. And एक्शन में गुस्सा आता था, कॉमेडी में हंसी आती थी, रोमांस में बस रोमांस का ही प्रॉब्लम था बस.
We won't ask.
रोमांस में अली आते थे, सैफ अली आते थे.
Karina, we won't ask you to comment on that one. I think Karina can make her chemistry work with anybody pretty much because they really look really hot in the film. नवाज, आपकी ये सलमान के साथ दूसरी फिल्म है, कबीर के साथ भी दूसरी फिल्म है, आपने न्यूयॉर्क में भी एक किरदार निभाया था. How is it working with the Salman Khan in this film where you're not really like, playing the other guy,
एक्चुअली किक में तो ज़्यादा क्योंकि बॉम्बे में शूट हो रहा था तो आउटडोर पे जब जाते हैं तो बहुत बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है, तो एक दूसरे के बारे में काफ़ी जानने लगते हैं. तो जैसे मडावा से शुरू हुआ, जयपुर के पास में है मडावा जहाँ से हमने शूटिंग शुरू की, और वहाँ से फिर कश्मीर तक शूटिंग करते गए. तो बहुत मज़ेदार जर्नी थी एक तरह से अगर देखा जाए तो. वो स्क्रीन पे भी पता चलता है. वो जब आप आउटडोर का एक फ़ायदा होता है कि जैसे जैसे आप टाइम निकलता जाता है और ऐसे बॉन्डिंग बनती जाती है आपकी, और वो केमिस्ट्री फिर स्क्रीन पे भी दिखती है. इट वाज फन एक्चुअली टू
what
वर्किंग.
kind of a
वो
co-star is
डिपेंड
Salman?
करता है किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो. ये इसका नेगेटिव भी होता है, जैसे जैसे काम करते जाते हो वैसे वैसे और मुश्किल होते जाता है.
मुश्किल भी बढ़ती चली जाती है.
वो आपकी तीसरी फिल्म में देख लेंगे फिर.
So will the box office collection matter now since you are the producer? Matter more.
आई थिंक इट विल मैटर. अगर it चल गई, बहुत चली, तो इट विल मैटर, ह्यूजली मैटर. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो इट विल ह्यूजली मैटर.
मेरा सवाल ये सलमान के जो रिएक्शन मिले हैं यहाँ पे, तो ऐसा तो लगता है कि इस साल की ईद जो है वो सलमान के नाम होगी. लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि पहले जो है सुहेल खान प्रोडक्शन, दूसरा अरबाज खान प्रोडक्शन, अब क्या ज़रूरत होगी कि सलमान खान प्रोडक्शन खोलने की आपको?
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा.
बात तो सही है यार. एक अतुल का भी प्रोडक्शन है. सोहेल खान के बच्चे सोहेल खान के,
टैक्सेस ज़्यादा,
मेरे तो नहीं है.
टैक्सेस
अरबाज खान के बच्चे अरबाज खान के, मेरे तो नहीं है. बेबी के बच्चे अतुल बेबी के. अबे तो
You asked for it. You were a sitting duck.
प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट किया है फिल्मों से. इसको चलने दो,
Awesome.
उसके बाद वहां पर लाइन लगा देंगे.
इंशाल्लाह. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
विजुअलाइज मत करना कोई.
Salman, on your left, on your right.
Yeah.
It's said that to work with animals and kids, it's quite difficult. And your work, you will be with the kid 24/7 if we see the entire frame. How was it working with the baby, with a small little one?
She is like, she's so beautiful. Yeah, she's like a delight to work with. I mean, I absolutely loved every moment with her on screen and the space that we shared. And she's such a beautiful girl. वो अनोखी है, एक ही पीस बनी है. I think what she does, off screen and on screen, is to people is something unbelievable. She's the most gorgeous, the most beautiful child that I have ever met.
She threw any tantrums on sets,
Yes, that too.
and you had to face.
But that is a part of being that. When I at this age have not understood, I still throw them. Huh?
Congratulations on the trailer. We've been waiting to meet you, for a long time, and the kind of response that you've received so far has been amazing. And the kind of support that you've received from your fans and the audience also through the
सवाल पे आ जाओ ना.
also through the case proceedings has been amazing. But the promotions of the movie are going to coincide with the High Court case proceedings as well. Any apprehension, any thoughts on that?
No, we don't want to go to discuss that. We're discussing Bajrangi
Salman,
Bhaijaan. So
any-
the gentleman over there whose dadi is now half.
But
Come
I
on.
think she's just asking if it kind of affects the promotions of Bajrangi. He's not asking about
How
it.
sweet you are यार.
Thank you so much. Thank
क्या
you, sir.
बात करने का
Sal-
क्या अंदाज है यार आपका.
Salman,
try.
you
Yeah,
said
your
the little
question,
girl.
please.
Salman, you said the little girl is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
And yeah.
हाँ.
Litika.
हाँ.
So,
हाँ, one day I want. And one day very soon I want. And in fact,
Not
one day,
that.
लाइक
मैं-
लाइक
मैं माँ हूँ आपकी।
हाँ बस वही माँ भी एक और चाहिए मुझे। हाँ 2 हो गई हैं, तीसरी भी आ जाइए।
नहीं नहीं, मेरा सवाल है मैं
लेकिन इसके
Thank
लिए
you, thank
लेकिन इसके लिए तस्वीर दीजिए। आई हैव टू आस्क माय फादर। आई कांट मेक
he knows me. He knows me very well. I keep talking to him for my
Oh.
article. No, I was asking you, Salman, कि why is it कि बड़ी बड़ी लड़कियों से आपकी नहीं पट पाती है?
I'm not getting the question
बड़ी
though.
बड़ी लड़कियों से नहीं पट पाती मतलब कितनी बड़ी? नाम लेके बात करो ना। नाम लो ना प्लीज।
She's shying away from her own question
अरे
now.
नाम लो ना। ये तो अच्छी बात है ना, अच्छी बात है।
just needed to ask, I think that this was the first time कि कोई हीरो ने हीरोइन को बहन जी कहा होगा, in fact, like how difficult it was to tell this particular, और ये how did it really start, and Kareena, how did you take this particular?
It was very easy. It's not difficult.
Thanks a lot.
Kareena, you've got to have a comeback to this.
Yeah, the same thing. I just needed to
नहीं,
ask.
दिल पे पत्थर रखकर मुझे कसम खुदा की जब वो आता था ना, बहन जी किस एंगल से बहन जी लग रही हैं यार।
अब तो नहीं लग रही हूँ definitely. Not right now.
उस वक्त भी नहीं लग रही थी।
Kareena, my
तब
question
कभी
is
बहन जी
to
नहीं
you.
लगी।
Kareena,
1 second. We'll just go with her question.
एक तो आप हो।
My question is for you. You've worked with all the four Khans. So working with which Khan was the best experience for you?
whichever Khan my next release is with, he's the best.
He
शुरू में
started his
शुरू में आपने
question.
कहा
जी।
कि स्टोरी वो इतनी मतलब अच्छी लगी आपको कि कहीं और ना चली जाए, तो लगता है कि एक स्टोरी कहीं ना कहीं आपकी है, जो जिस तरह की हमदर्दी, जिस तरह के किस्से आपके होते हैं कि ये कर दिया, वहाँ 100 साइकिलें दे दी, वहाँ 100 लोगों को हार्ट के
सर
ऑपरेशन
एम्बैरस
करवा
मत
दिए,
कीजिए सर इतना कम कम बोल के।
है ना? नहीं 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 नहीं, मतलब ये
कौन
सारी
से पेपर के लिए काम करते हैं आप, ओन करते हैं आप सर?
मायापुरी मैगजीन।
अरे
तो कहीं ना
कार्तिक,
तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको स्टोरी
कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है सर 100 का सर बहुत गड़बड़ है सर। इसमें कुछ जीरो तो और डालने पड़ेंगे।
Hi, Karina. Interestingly, obviously you guys are together in this movie, but interestingly also, Shuddhi was offered to you and to him, which now is being done by Varun and Alia. He has given his blessings on Twitter to Varun and with you. So, which I think he said also that he was very happy about, which Salman mentioned. What about you? I
Why
think
threw him out of the film? Why are you out of the film?
I left it because Ritik was in the film first. He didn't do it then.
So then when I said yes,
I wasn't in the movie.
you were not there in the movie.
So basically, it could have been possible if both of you knew you all are going to be approached for the movie.
Yes,
That's hypothetical.
बजरंगी भाईजान की बात करो ना।
Exactly.
सलमान भाई, आपको ये बच्ची कहाँ मिलती है और आप इसको पाकिस्तान छोड़ने की जिम्मेदारी क्यों लेते हो?
सर क्योंकि सर क्योंकि आपको नहीं मिली और आपने जिम्मेदारी नहीं ली, इसलिए सर।
करीना, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है। आपने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि कभी आपने सलमान को योगा करते हुए नहीं देखा है,
तो अभी कर लेते।
तो अभी
इस सवाल के बाद मेरा मन चाह रहा है कि मैं
Salman?
Okay.
Nawaz over here.
Whatever.
Nawaz, जब
Salman, ये सवाल
right now
आपके लिए-
people cannot
question,
afford
back, Minnie.
right now people cannot afford one
Yeah.
one in two films. You want 3 in 1 film?
uh,
Yeah, like maybe like one jhalak here, one jhalak there, one jhalak there.
Okay,
नवाज
guys.
जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले
We
थे,
would
We love
we would love
Bajrangi
to
Bhaijaan
do
questions.
we would love to
Nawaz-
do a film together. That's for sure.
Salman,
The
नवाज
last-
जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले थे तब आपने कहा था बजरंगी भाईजान की स्क्रिप्ट ने आपको पागल कर दिया था और आपके कैरेक्टर बहुत ही सही है। तभी आपने कहा था आप ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकते कैरेक्टर के बारे में, तो अभी आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हैं?
हाँ, अभी इतना बता सकता हूँ कि मेरा फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर है वो रिपोर्टर का है, पाकिस्तानी रिपोर्टर का।
You'll have a final word from you about why people should come and watch this film.
I think this is one of the purest films that I've done. I think it's a great movie. It's a story superbly written and extremely well told. I think this is the film to watch, and not once, over and over again. And this is the film to follow. But the fact that we're getting this kind of coverage, for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, it is because of Shah Rukh and Amir. Is because they were the ones who released the poster first, no, the first look. So, I mean, we've got those many eyeballs and that much of क्या बोलते हैं उसमें? Huh?
Extra interest.
Yeah, extra interest is because of my two buddy brothers.
Sorry?
Merchandise.
Yeah, the locket will be out pretty soon, and we're getting. I mean, I have people calling me for it, and it's a question of a couple of weeks. It'll be out there.
All right.
I'm really, really happy with that.
Okay. Yes, 1 second. Okay. All right. One last photo op with everyone, please.